Vanakkam friends, welcome once again to our channel. Today we will discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty forecast for 30th October Monday, and also we will analyze about the short term trend or forecast for Reliance. Why I am saying Reliance? It is one of the most important stock which has very good weightage in index. The second largest weightage counter in Nifty, approximately near 10% weightage. So all these three we will discuss. Before going into the video, a small request from my side. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it so that you will get notifications as and when I post video. And after hearing this video, if you feel it is good or worth sharing to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets, please do share and encourage them to subscribe as well. In the description of this video, I have given our Telegram channel links. If interested, please do join there and stay connected, where I will give updates about markets during live hours. Now let's move on to the analysis part. As usual, first we'll go with Nifty. This is daily charts of Nifty. On Friday, in our view, we have mentioned that Nifty is expected to have minimum a 100-point up move on Friday. When 99% of the members were very hard in giving sell calls on Nifty on expiry day, monthly expiry day, we were one among the very few members who suggested a bold buy or BTST for Nifty on Thursday, expecting a minimum 100-point uptick, and it delivered too. See, people, remember this stuff. Whenever Nifty closes 130 points or more than that on monthly expiry day, I'm not speaking about weekly expiry, monthly expiry day, the very next day, there are 99% chances, I would say even 100%, but still I don't want to underestimate markets. That's the reason I am saying 99%. You will see plus 100 on the very next day. This is the situation which I have observed and traded successfully for the past 10 years. So there is in this 10 years, I, to be honest, maybe in one or two instances like that, I would not have seen a 100-point uptick. It would have been 60 or 70 points. But I definitely saying I am not seen, not even one time Nifty failed to give a green close on the very next day after the monthly expiry. So remember this. If you remember this, these are all simple, very, very simple things which you can remember and initiate good trades whenever this kind of uh, I mean opportunity comes. So this kind of opportunity will not rise every month, every day, or something like that. But whenever it comes, don't miss. That is the suggestion which I am giving to you. Now Nifty closed 190 points in green on Friday, which formed a higher high, higher low setup in Nifty daily charts. Now this is a positive sign, right? So even though if it is a positive sign, if you ask me where we can whether the trend has changed, I would say no. Why? Because the trend will change from bear script to bull script only when we take out this August low. I mean, yeah, this August low 19223 224. Only if we close above this 19224, the trend will change from bear script to bull script. So until then, whatever the up move you are seeing till 19,224 is questionable. I would not say definitely it will get sold, but it is questionable. Why it's questionable? Because Nifty is has closed below all the simple 20, 50, 10, 100 simple moving averages. So it is expected to touch the 200 simple moving average at one point in time, and then only the trend is expected to reverse on the higher side very strongly. Until then, all rally, either it need to take out 19,224 or it needs to test the 200 simple moving average. So since we had a good trading day on Friday, we expect that to continue for Monday. And one more thing you can remember, this I usually call it as a unwritten law of Nifty. What it is, whenever Nifty closes at highest point of the day, highest point in the sense the adjusted closing will be little bit different. Highest point in the sense I am saying maybe maximum 30 to 40 points from the uh, closing price will be the highest point. It's not even 50 points, maximum 30 to 40 points only. So in such case, if you see over here, the high made on that particular day is 19,076 and it closed at 19,047, which is just 30 points lower. If this kind of scenario happens, there will be a follow up on the next day. What is follow up? At least at one point in time, Nifty will show you green. I would not say it is. I'm not saying it is. It will be a gap up opening. It will be a. It will have a follow up. Follow up in the sense, at least at one point in time, it will show you green. So in this case, people who have access to trade in Gift Nifty can get benefited. Why? Because post closing during US session, if Gift Nifty drops by 70, 80, 100 points, you can initiate a long trade for that 100 points on the next day. So this is one scenario. On the other hand, if there is a gap down opening on the very next day, if this kind of situation happens, and then on the very next day, if there is a gap down opening, say about 70, 80, 100 points, you can initiate a long, because the accuracy of this strategy is at least 90 to 95%. At one point in time, you will see green in Nifty intraday. So worst case scenario, if we are getting 70 points down, gap down, and we are taking that 70 points, we are taking a long trade, you will be seeing a 70 point uh, move where you can close your position, or you can revisit your position when it turns green. Based on the situation of the markets at that time, you may decide whether you to trial stop loss, or you may continue to hold the position, or you may square up the position as per your comfort, right? So in this situation, after our market close during US session, Gift Nifty has cracked nearly 100 points. So our markets are expected to open 90 points or 80 points on the red side on Monday. If that is the case, it's very good to take a long trade and wait for Nifty to show green intraday and then close your position. right? So as per charts, what will be the support for Nifty and resistance for Nifty? Let's see that. The ideal support comes in at Friday low, which is 18,926, right? So if we are expected to open 80-90 points down, then it will be your stop loss will be only 40 to 50 points. So you may have a small leverage of maybe 20-25 points below this Friday low. Probably you can have a 18,890 as stop loss and initiate a long whenever Nifty dips on the opening on Monday. So that would be the immediate support, and then the next support would be this low, 18,837. I believe that we will not move to that support. If things are good, I believe we will not even touch this support, the 18,926. We will not even go and touch this support. Maybe if we can touch and go 10-15 points below that, and then we will have a bounce back. That is what I am expecting, if my guess is correct, because once this low is getting broken, there will be some jitteriness in market, which may take maybe 10-20 points on the lower side, and then we will move on the higher side. And you can ask me a question, sir. You are saying Nifty is expected to test 200 simple moving average, but you are saying trade on the long side. I have an answer and explanation for it. So as per this chart, the resistance comes in at this particular zone, which is at 19,224, and then the next resistance comes in at October low, which is at 19,333. What I am expecting is in coming days, Nifty will move higher, at least to test this first resistance zone, or maximum it can go up to second resistance zone, and then it will start falling. It will move like this. It will go upside and then it will come like this. In the meantime, this 200 simple moving average, it's a raising 200 simple moving average. You can see the line from here also. Okay, it's slowly raising. So in this case, this 200 simple moving average might raise till here, till this zone, till this line, right? So if this is correct, it will go like this and then come test this and coincide with the 200 simple moving average, then it will be a up move on the higher side. This is what I am expecting right now, but I will change my stance if Nifty closes above the second resistance zone, which is October low zone 19334. If Nifty closes above 19334, I could change my stance, saying that Nifty will take some more time to come and revisit the 200 simple moving average, and it will move on the higher side to test this particular zone, that is 850, 19850, to make a V-shape recovery. Okay, so as of present situation, as of Monday, what is expected? We expect a gap down opening, and then in between the day we expect at least Nifty to show green at least for one time, where we can square off our position. This is for Nifty. Now we will move on for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is very simple. It's already weak. Closed 3 days continuously below 200 simple moving average. Now all rallies till 200 simple moving average are expected to get sold. We can expect good up move only when we close above this 200 simple moving average. What is that level? 43,186. So you need to wait for this level to break and then initiate longs. If you are an aggressive trader, If there is a up move till 43,000 150 odd zones, you may go short with 150 point stop loss and trade for a down move. On the other hand, if you want to trade on the long side, if this support comes 42,100, maybe 42,000 to 42,100, if this level comes, you can initiate a long and have a stop loss below 42,000 for maybe 150 points, and then you can trade on the long side. But until 200 simple moving average is taken out on the higher side, all rallies are questionable. This is for Bank Nifty. It's very simple on Bank Nifty, and nothing nothing much or big to explain over here. I'm sorry, having a bad throat. Right now, Reliance. Remember the view on Reliance is not for uh, intraday. It is for a short term. So it's in downtrend since last quarter. Post results completely coming down, 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 down. Especially after diversity from Geo, it's it's keeping on going down. But the one point is we missed to initiate long. I need to accept the fact because of fear on last Thursday we missed to enter it around 2222. Why I'm saying 2222? That was the support. See over here, this was the support 2222.95. That is the support. We must have entered at 2222 on Thursday, but I missed to post it in any in all my social platforms. I'm sorry for that, but never mind. The chart setup is temporarily positive, but it is also oversold as well. Oversold. Results not good, not bad. Inline set of results. It's not a blockbuster results at all. It is just an inline kind of results. Don't believe in any of the TV channels or news channels which showcase that Reliance results are very good, because all the market related channels belongs to Reliance. So if you see CNBC, TV18, CNBC Avas, and one other TV here we have, I think it is ET Now. All has been owned by these guys, and either directly or indirectly, and everywhere they will say that Reliance has delivered a blockbuster set of results, but which is not true. It is inline set of results. We need to agree the fact. But the stock is oversold. It may have a dead cat bounce. So dead cat bounce in the sense till what level? Let's see. Until this falling trend line is taken out. I'm sorry. Let us draw a trend line by connecting the tops. Right. Until this falling trend line, which I have drawn now, this trend line is taken out on the higher side. All rallies in Reliance are expected to get sold into. Okay, so if you are a short-term trader, you can have this low minus 5 points, maybe 22.15. You may have 22.15 as your stop loss and try to initiate a long. Revisit your position when this line comes, maybe at this juncture or at this juncture. Whenever this line comes, you revisit your position. If the range between this your stop loss and and this breakout zone is high, you may hold your position. But if it is very small, like maybe 20 points or 25 points like that, you need to consider exiting your position. Say for example, if this trend line is getting taken out over here, so if it is getting taken out over here, you will be approximately around 22.99. So your range is large, so you may hold your position. But at the same time, if it is going there and then consolidating for some time, and then if it is trying to take out over here, then it will be around 2242, where your stop loss is only 25 30 points, 30 points from your entry point. You need to exit your position. So this was I'm meaning, what I'm trying to convey with you people. So trade little bit cautious on Reliance, because it's completely inline set of results. But we will have a dead cat bounce just because the stock is already in oversold territory. That's all we have now. Now, friends, a small request while ending the video: please do like our video and share it. There are little higher chances that if you like our video and see it, probably it may reach a larger audience. Have a nice day, friends. See you all on the next video. Bye for now.